Hey everyone! If you're preparing for an exam or learning a new subject, NotebookLM can help you create organized study guides in just a few minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create study guides with NotebookLM step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the NotebookLM website. Sign in with your Google account and open an existing notebook or create a new one for your study materials. Next, click Add Source Asterisk and upload the documents you want to study. You can add PDFs, Google Docs, lecture notes, textbooks, or other supported files. Now wait while NotebookLM processes your sources. Once everything is ready, open the chat panel and ask the AI to create a study guide based on your uploaded materials. After that, request specific sections such as key concepts, important definitions, formulas, timelines, or chapter summaries depending on the subject you're studying. So if you want to prepare for a test, ask NotebookLM to generate practice questions, quizzes, flashcards, or a list of topics that need more review. Next, review the generated study guide and ask follow-up questions whenever you need more detailed explanations or examples from your source documents. Finally, save or export your notes if needed, and continue updating your notebook with new materials as your course progresses. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully created a study guide with NotebookLM. Now you can study more efficiently, stay organized, and review your materials much faster with the help of AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.